Good morning, wonderful world of YouTube. This is Eric again, and I'm actually not here with a computer video. I know, it's kind of crazy, right? This is the thrift store find Yamaha Cinema DSP Digital Natural Sound AV Receiver HTR 5450. And this I picked up yesterday at another thrift store. It's a BSR McDonald 6500 BX. I have verified the operation that it actually comes on. Let's see if it works. I picked this up for $5 and I picked the record up for $1 because I didn't want to use any of my good ones, but I like the looks of this. So we're going to hit start, which unlocks the arm. And we are going to I'm going to try flipping this needle real quick because that sounds atrocious. Just 1 second. That's actually... Ooh, that is not better. That says it's that is actually for 78. This says it's for LP, so something is... Okay, I'm going to go ahead and flip this record, see if the other side's in any better shape. So if you give me 1 second. Funny thing is many people my age don't even know what one of these is. So I might need to put a new needle in it. That's not too big of a deal. I mean, it was a $5 record player. I mean, go ahead, hit start. I'll put it right to the beginning of the record. I do like the first song. See, I don't know if some of what I'm hearing here. Let me shut this off. I'm not sure if some of what I'm hearing here is because this particular receiver does not have an actual phono input. So, or if that particular record is that bad. I've got a couple more records I might try with it. I don't know. But I just figured I would show what my latest find was. I had this hooked into a speaker ground because I know that normally goes to a chassis ground if you have a normal phono input. So I tried that, and when I disconnected it, it made no difference. So I guess we'll find out what's going on eventually. Probably not today. I'm not sure when I'll be back with another computer video, maybe Wednesday or Thursday. I already have a plan for what I want my next one to be. But I think for today, well, let me shut off my power down here. I think for today, I've got about 6 hours I gotta spend in a car. So I don't know how much I'm going to feel like doing anything later tonight. Oh, there's my hoodie. I was wondering where my jacket went. But I think for today, have a good day. I'm going to be spending, like I said, about 6 hours in a car and about 5 hours in a building. I'm not sure how I'm going to feel today. So, alright, enjoy the rest of your day. Have a good one.